Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. So today I'm going to show you how I created this look right here using all affordable makeup. Now these are affordable products that I am continually reaching for all summer long. I just love these. I am non-stop using them, even over some of my name brand products. Now before we get into it, if you enjoy videos like this, you can let me know by clicking that like button, and if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. Now without further ado, let's get into today's video. So as always, I will have the products listed in the description box down below for you. So, put my hair up and let's get into it. that is it for today. I would love to hear what you guys think of my look today. Is it something that you would wear? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. And if you have not done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Do feel free to check out more of my videos you see here on the screen. If not, then I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, bye.